Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLER. We will take a look at the daily time frame. So I don't think I've ever done this one before, but very interesting chart. Had a few people actually alert it to me on this day here, and I just haven't been able to get it. But congratulations to all those that noticed this increase in volume and then this nice upwards move that followed. But the chart's very much so still in play, so just want to get things updated here and talk about it from the charting perspective. So just to start off, the big thing that happened on the initial day was you can see that the price was able to not only get above but close above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And within the world technical analysis, that's a very important moving average. And then the next day, yesterday, you can see it pulled back tested it, and it held as support. So that was a nice move right there, because again, within the world of technical analysis, when a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. So a perfect example here of a price getting above this level of resistance and then it turned into a support where the price went back tested it, and then has had a very nice bounce off of it. So that leads us to our first point, and that is the 50-day simple moving average here is the key level of support, meaning as long as the price stays above the 50-day, then really no worries. And I know you're thinking, well, the 50-day is way down here and the price is up here. Yeah, that's kind of the catch-22 when you have quickly moving stocks like this. But in the broad scheme of things, as long as the price maintains above that, things are fine. So just kind of as a quick example, even if the price were to drop down there, find support and then head back up, this set of lows is still higher than this set, so when we would go to draw our uptrend line, we would still be able to do that. So you can't draw an uptrend line unless you have higher lows. So that's why the 50-day is so important, because it would still be a higher low and a higher base than it was back here in mid-April. Another level of support is going to be the previous high right here from both Friday and then Monday. You can see this level up there at 0019 knocked the price down 2 days in a row, but now that the price is back above it, again, a level of support. I'm going to leave that line skinny green because while it is a technically level of support, if the price does drop below there, by no means is that the end of the road or anything like that. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the first one that sticks out is from this previous high over there. Yes, the price did break through it intraday, but because we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the close was. So this is up at 0027. That'll be the initial area of resistance, and then that's followed by simply the previous high today, or the high of today, I should say, which was at 0032, because right here is where the selling finally overcame buying and what pushed the price back down. So again, resistance levels 0027 and today's high at 0032. Support levels, ideal level being up there at 0019, but if that doesn't hold, then at the end of the day, the 50-day down here is the one that you're going to want to see continue to hold strong. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you will see, you will receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down below and look at our educational video course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was GLER. Thanks for listening.